Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. In today's video I want to show you guys how to fix an error in WooCommerce checkout page. Now I'm using Excel templates. Now you might see these issues in different kind of templates. It all depends on the plugin. Most time it might be an error with another plugins that is causing it. Now if you have deleted all your plugins and you still get the same error on your team, now let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. Once I go to the cart page section, so this is the cart page. So let me just go to the checkout. Sorry. So this is the checkout page, as you can see. Now I'm having to place order section, and this shouldn't be here. So I've tried different kind of fix. First thing, I deleted all my plugins. I uninstalled all my plugins and installed them one after the other to know what or which of the plugin is causing this conflict, but none of the above. And also I have to update my WordPress and also re-update my WooCommerce section. It's still the same thing. Now it happens with my template. Now that there might be a file missing or an error, it just comes out. So I get to notice this. An easier way to fix this anywhere online, you won't get this exact result, but whatever I'm implementing here, this will fix any of these duplicates place order in checkout page. Now this happens due to terms and conditions. So go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce, and go to settings. So as you come to WooCommerce, go to advanced. Now this is the terms and condition, so just delete this. Just remove the terms and condition, that's all. You don't need to hide any CSS or anything, just remove the terms and condition. You scroll down and save changes. So let me come back here and reload this page. So let me just reload this page. Let's see. So as you can see, this is how you fix it, the duplicates page. This happens due to an error caused by, or a conflict caused by, the terms and conditions section in our WooCommerce. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on Big Giant Tech. See you guys in the next video.